What happened, Winnie Lynn? Why so happy today? I know, it's your birthday, right? Birthday will picture me. Yun at happy birthday sa iyo, Winnie Lynn. At sana lagi ka mag-iingat. A good health and a happy life.
Happy 31st birthday, Winnie. Anong gusto mong gift? Sige, magdadala na lang ako ng Antox Pulutan, okay? Mag-ready ka, ha? And I wish you well. Have a good health. Goodbye.
Hi Winnie Lynn, happy birthday sa'yo. Tanda mo na, no? Ngayon, ang baka din mo ako matandaan. Wish you sa'yo na may pagpalain pa ni Lord and more birthday to come. And more blessings. And also, paying the mask ko.
Wenny, paano ba yan? Birthday mo na naman, girl. Igigreet na naman kita. Happy birthday sa'yo. 31 amazing years. I wish you all the best. Mag-ingat ka palagi. Stay safe, healthy, and of course, stay pretty. Syempre naman, di ba? Mag-ingat ka palagi. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Winalyn. Matanda ka na, pwede ka na mag-asawa. Enjoy your day.
Hi Winnie! Happy birthday! Again, congratulations. No, nag-birthday ka na naman. It's another year full of blessings. We are really happy to have you in our life. And huwag ka magbabago. Baguhin mo lang yung mga mali mo. Aminin mo na mali ka. So, yan. Again, always remember that God loves you. Your family and friends, kaming lahat, mahal ka namin, no? And continue being the light among others. And huwag kang titigil maglaro ng volleyball. Tsaka sumisid na sumisid. Ikaw yan eh. Ikaw na yan. So, ayun lang. I'm just amazed on how amazing person you become. Ingat ka lagi and God bless.
Hi po, Winnie! Happy 31st birthday! Hope you're doing well in life at sana happy ka genuinely. Wishing you a happy birthday again and God bless always. Bye-bye! More birthday blessings to come!
Hi Winnie Lynn. Kumusta? Naalala mo ba ako? Dati mong kaklase. Gusto ko lang batiin ka ngayon ng maligayang kaarawan. Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong kaarawan mo. Tsaka God bless. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Winnie! Happy birthday, Winnie! The Pooh! Sana naaalala mo po ako kasi, alam mo yun, hindi kita makakalimutan kasi ikaw ang aking kaklase noon na nakatae! Siyempre, hindi mo maaalala yun kasi ikaw yung nakatae kaya hindi mo talaga makakalimutan mo talaga yun. Pero ako hindi. And, ayun, tumatanda na tayo, kaya happy birthday ulit! Bye-bye!
Birthday mo daw, kapatid! Happy birthday sa'yo! Mag-ingat ka parati, putang ina mo ka, at hindi mo minsan nalalaman na tatanga-tanga ka, at magsilbi ka, ha? Magsilbi ka sa mga tarantadong nag-alaga sa'yo, ha? Putang ina mo ka, mahalin mo ang buhay mo, at ayusin mo ang iyong sarili nang marating mo ang pangarap mo. Kung hindi mo gagawin ang pagtitino, putang ina mo ka. Ito na ang huling birthday mo. Putang ina mo.
Hi Winalyn, happy birthday to you. I know it's been a while since, but I know how happy you are today because of these people that surrounds you. Just a piece of advice na enjoy mo every moment na meron ngayon. And know that nakasuporta kami parati sa'yo. Your friends, your families, of course, including me. And enjoy the day and ingat ka parate. Happy birthday, Winilyn. God bless.
Hi, Winilyn. This is Mark from Star Magic. Wishing you a happy birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday, Winilyn. God bless!
Hi Winalyn! Happy birthday and Merry Christmas! I hope to see you soon. Mag-iingat ka palagi. Mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo and sa holidays mo. Yun lang. Good health. Mwah! Mwah!